Ooh, I can smell it. They look good to me. What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're going to be doing another cooking video where we're going to be using the Ninja air fryer. This is the 4-quart, and we're going to be cooking frozen mozzarella cheese sticks in the air fryer. Simple, easy, the food is delicious. So let's get this set up and I'll show you how I cook my mozzarella cheese sticks. Alright, so we've got our Ninja air fryer all set up. I'll turn it on so you know it's actually plugged in. There we are. So we're going to be cooking mozzarella cheese sticks in the air fryer. This is the, again, Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Cooking mozzarella cheese sticks. Alright, so we got about 10 cheese sticks in there. So what you want to do, slide that right in there. Set the machine to air fry. Set the temperature. I like to set mine at 375. And then you want to come over here to where it says timer. Okay, so there's about 10 pieces in there. You can set it for about 7 or 8 minutes. I choose about 8 minutes. Hit the start button, and we'll get back to you when they're done. Alright, we just got a few seconds here left. I can hear it sizzling. Alright, and we are done. Ooh, I can smell it. They look good to me. What's great is the machine turns off by itself. Alright, and there we have it. Ooh-wee. Alright, that's what wraps it up for the video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.